I've seen areas of snow already getting across central and western Idaho. Rain-snow mix coming across the Gem State right now. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for areas of eastern Idaho, including the Snake River Plain, because we are expected to get some snow tonight and tomorrow morning, but also a rain-snow mix leading to some freezing drizzle. We're going to have pockets of warm air ahead of this cold front that's going to come through. Our temperatures are expected to warm up into the 40s by tomorrow afternoon, but before that happens, we're still going to be walking the line of snow and rain tonight and tomorrow, and the possibility of some icy roads exists for your commute. So when we say freezing rain, freezing drizzle, that's a super cool droplet of water that as it hits the ground, as it hits the roadway surface, it freezes on contact, and that makes for a very slippery drive. So something to watch out for tonight and tomorrow morning. That winter weather advisory goes until 9 a.m. tomorrow. The snow and the rain creeping across southern and central Idaho as we speak. We're starting to see some of that get into the Snake River Plain. Now, a lot of it is also just slowly making its way into Power County. Some of this is going to get into Pocatello a little bit later tonight, and also the same for Idaho Falls. But you'll notice there's a lot of green and pink off to the west. That's because as this cold front nears, it's tapping into some warmer air along the frontal boundary. Hence, we see that pocket of warmer air coming through, more melting, and again, it's going to be a wintry mix of precipitation along with gusty winds courtesy of that cold front. Later on this evening, the snow will begin to take hold across the region. We could get some snow sticking to the ground out there tonight, but we are expecting to pull in, look at this, by tomorrow morning at about sunrise or even before sunrise, a rain-snow mix. You see pockets of green and pink here with some heavier bands of snow up into the mountains. Now, we will get some good snow in our local mountains with the passing rain and snow showers here throughout your Wednesday, but by Wednesday, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, all that wet weather for the most part is gone. We'll be stuck with some leftover wet weather there for extreme southeastern Idaho and western Wyoming, but look how quickly we clear out. We're going to usher in some chilly temperatures for your Thursday. In terms of snowfall amounts for tonight and tomorrow, the computer models are still showing us about an inch or less of snowfall right now in the upper Snake River Plain, and then getting about 2 to 4 inches around Island Park. So now we're being just a tad more aggressive with those snowfall amounts. Yesterday, we weren't really seeing much more than an inch, but now at least we're seeing about 2 to 4 inches in Island Park and West Yellowstone, and the same for Jackson in town. But mind you, we just have winter weather advisories, no storm warnings, and there's a wind advisory for areas of Lemhi County because of all that wind. Look at the wind here for tomorrow. Will be excess of 20 to 30 miles an hour for your sustained wind speeds. Your gusts are approaching 40 miles an hour. Highs and lows for tonight and tomorrow, not much of a difference, and that's because we have the cloud deck. We have the moisture in play. So we're going to have lows tonight back into the 20s. We'll have temperatures tomorrow into the 30s and 40s. Jackson is at 36. We should break 40 degrees in Rexburg with the upper 30s in St. Anthony, mid 30s around Island Park, lower 30s in West Yellowstone. 38 for the high in Stanley, but add on some warm weather to that in Chalice at 46. 42 in Salmon with 41 in Mackey, 46 also in Arco, with a 42 for the high tomorrow in Idaho Falls, 43 for Blackfoot, mid-40s in Pocatello, and we're to the low 50s for Burley and Twin Falls. In the extended outlook, temperatures are tumbling back at below freezing for a high on Thursday with a 26 for the high. 28 on Friday with some clouds rolling back in. The weekend's looking cold and quiet with just a slight chance of snow on Sunday with highs in the lower 30s. For Pocatello, 44 for the high tomorrow, with a chance of rain and snow in the mix here for tonight and tomorrow morning. 33 for the high on Thursday. We're into the upper 30s and low 40s for this weekend with a chance of snow on Sunday. Blackfoot 43 for tomorrow with gusty winds. 30 on Thursday with the low 30s in there for Friday and Saturday. Clouds will pass through for both your Saturday and Sunday with a slight chance of snow there to get us into the end of the weekend. Rexburg, 40 degrees also in Rexburg. Gusty winds throughout the afternoon hours with a chance of rain and snow. Temperatures falling back in the low to mid 20s to round out your Thursday and Friday afternoon. With central Idaho valleys like Salmon and Chalice, you're only going to score about a 42. Well, you'll score about a 42 for tomorrow, but you're down to about a 30 on Thursday and the mid 30s for this weekend with a slight chance of some snow on Sunday. Jackson, snow on the way for tonight and tomorrow, making the roads slick, especially on those mountain passes. Overnight lows, single digits and sub-zero as we head on to the other side of this cold front to get us through much of this work week and into the weekend. Our John Adams, GMC Spirit of Idaho, comes to us here from Soda Springs.